If you're looking for a cheap way to practice your putting inside, you might want to check out this. What's happening, Panda Nation? Peter Von Panda here. I bought some AstroTurf to do some putting inside, especially when the weather starts getting crappy outside. And I was looking for some cups to putt into that would simulate a putting green and collect the balls, if nothing else. And I found these, and they come in a package of 1, 2, 6, a dozen. I've seen them in kind of different quantities, and they're kind of interesting because, one, they're really cheap. They're not green, they don't simulate the green at all, but they are pretty clever. Now, they're pretty thin plastic. I'm not saying they're like blister packaging thin, but you know, they're very light. But what I do like about them is that they're pretty wide, probably 9 inches wide here. And so even a missed putt will hit this and maybe be slowed down and not roll to the end of the room. So it'll kind of be in that area. And what you can see here is that the rise here is actually very shallow, so you don't have to put a lot of oomph on the ball. If you are kind of aiming to lag it about a foot behind the hole, this should be perfect. It should land right in there and die right in there. You can also see that these edges are flared open here, so a little bit of a off hit should kind of funnel it into the cup and, like I said, prevent the ball from rolling away. And you can see the back is just kind of squared off. You really aren't supposed to hit it in there, but you've got this cup that's going to collect the ball, and you can buy a bunch of these because ultimately, they're only like $2 a cup. So if you want to set up your own little putting green and have balls in different locations, maybe you want to set up your own little mini golf course, these are probably good ways to do it on the cheap. But we have to see if they work, so let's try them out. So does the cup work? Let's find out. Oh man, look, it left that ball really short. That's a problem with this cup. That's definitely the cup's fault. That lip caught an off-center shot, which was what I was trying to demonstrate there, and kind of funneled it right into the cup, which is nice. Again, short, and that's one of the problems with these cups is that they take a really good putter like me, and sometimes they make it look like I don't know what I'm doing. Look at this. Now I'm just draining them. And I will tell you what, it certainly, didn't hit that one hard enough. Looks like you'll be able to get 4 or 5 of them in there before you need to reload this thing. So pretty cool. Hey, if you want to practice your putting this winter while you're stuck inside on your carpet in your home, I would definitely say that this thing is going to give you the opportunity to do that for not a lot of money. So if you want to pick it up, I'll put a link to it in the description below. Peter Von Panda, out.